Hello everybody, today I will be painting the roller crimper. If you don't know what the roller crimper is, I used it in another video, which should pop up somewhere up there, and I'll show you it right now. Here is the roller crimper. What we're doing right now is all these bumps right here, we're trying to get them off. We're using the wire wheel grinder and the steel wire brush, and that's what we're trying to do right now.
The next day.
After the day, it looks like this, but this is just a primer and we still need to paint it. We just started painting, and it's going to be Alice Chalmers orange, so this is what it will look like, and this is what it looked like before. Here's what it looks like when it's done. We still got a little bit to go yet.
Later.
He just finished the roller crimper and it looks really nice. Now we just gotta let it dry and it should be pretty good. From the snow video, you may have remembered there was a giant pile of snow right here. And when all that snow melted, it went into this giant pond, which now has a bunch of algae on it. And over here is the cow yard, and what we do every year is we let out the cows into here, and they eat all the grass. We have wires here. Oh, I got shocked. Just in case the cows try to get out. So we will open up this wire that is right here, if you can see it, and then the cows will come out into the pasture, I guess you could call it. Right now it's 77 degrees out, which is pretty hot for where I live. So we're gonna be letting the cows out now. And it should get up to 81 degrees today. Some of the cows aren't used to going out, so you gotta bait them with grass, and then they'll come out into the pasture. They're all dancing around way down there, exploring the new pasture. Right along this strip here is where the egg bag was. There's still a couple of cows that choose to stay in the old pasture. They'll eat all this grass in no time. This was the cow I took to the fair a couple of years ago. And according to this thermometer, it's about 80 or 81 degrees. We also got 2 new little kittens. This one's name is Princess, and this one's name is Leroy, and the mom is Tiger. Literally 2 days after the other kittens showed up, we found another group of kittens. The mom is Mini Marble this time. I don't have a flashlight right now, but you might be able to see there's 2 right here, 1 right here, and there's another little one right in there. There's 4 in total. Going back to the roller crimper, it's all done, and it looks really nice. Sometime in the future, I will upload a video of us using the roller crimper out in the field. This is the end of painting the roller crimper. I really hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. And thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers. It means a lot.